Is your Xbox Game Pass app not working anymore? That's because Microsoft has shut it down. But there's another app you can use. Microsoft has moved everything to the main Xbox app. But if you don't want to switch, you can try GameHub app. GameHub app has a section for Xbox Cloud Gaming. Just sign in with your account and you can start playing your games. Don't let the Game Pass app shut down stop your gaming. Try GameHub app and let me know in the comments if it works for you. Like and subscribe for more gaming tips.